Hey guys, I'm one of your hosts with Kicks and Fits. My name is Abe, also known as A from Church on Instagram. And today we're looking at the Travis Scott's Air Force 1's. We're gonna pick out a fit, see how it goes. First thing I see with the shoe, obviously the Air Force 1, a classic sneaker. Travis Scott, he took this classic and he made it his own. Also with his drop of Astro World, he made this thing out of this world. So this is actually not the first Air Force 1 that Travis Scott has collaborated with. He actually dropped another one in 2017 at Conference Con, where Nike actually chose a few collaborators to, have some Air Force 1 action going. Key differences between that one and this one, it's more of an off-white colorway. The first one was an all-white upper, still got the gum sole. You have that canvas upper right here. If you look at the front, you gotta have if you have Travis Scott, you gotta have the Travis Scott grills on there. You can have some bling on your wrist, on your neck. Why not have some bling on your sneaker too? You have your Cactus Jack symbol right here. Another cool detail we got here, the 3M on the lining right here, man. Subtle details, I'm telling you, make big impacts. One of the main things with the Air Force 1 Travis Scott's, interchangeable checks right here. So what I'm gonna be looking for today is a fit that I can just wear out in the street. I'm always in the city. The colors I'm gonna be looking for is just natural tone colors. You got your greens, your tans, your beiges, something that goes with it and has me ready to kill the streets. So the first thing I'm gonna be looking at to start my fit is gonna be the pants. I'm a skinny guy, so that's the main thing. Ooh, I think we may have a winner on this rack. I want some denim that's gonna last. It's gonna have a slim, tapered fit so I can show the sneakers off. It's actually maybe it right here. Coming closer, coming closer. I'm all about the subtle details right here, all right? So let me give y'all a little lesson on your distressed jeans, all right? We don't need no big holes. I don't need to see all your kneecap. You show a little leg, feel me? Add some wear and tear so they know you mean business, but you also got some style on you. Yo, what is this? It's the Nike new sportswear collection. I'm sorry guys, but I'm in love. I'm in love right now, man. Fall is approaching. Summer's out the door. Crazy, yo, this is crazy. Do you see that? I don't even know what this is, honestly. I'm completely honest. Somebody looks at this hoodie, right? They like the color. Oh, they like the letters on here. They get a little closer. You hit them with another detail. If you kind of want to go a little bit more Nike out, you got another hoodie here. You got your forest green hoodie. It goes perfectly with the off-white, period. Military style. So we got the top. I'm about to go grab these jeans. Let's see how it goes, man. All right guys, I'm back with the final fit. I'm so excited about this fit, man. Everything just goes together. And the color of the hoodie, the oversized fit, down to the sneakers, man. Everything just flows. And that's why this fit is a go, man. There's nothing that overpowers the sneakers. It just complements it. That's why, period. That makes the fit a success. All right guys, that's it, man. It's a wrap. Tell me how the fit came, how you like it. I'll see you guys again on my next episode of Kicks and Fits.